Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. Hope you're doing good. It's a beautiful day in California. This is not really high gloss black paint on the asphalt. It's rain. Not a ton, but it's a good amount. It's actually quite a blessing. So we're going to talk about the Fed. We're going to talk about them tapering this week. It's a big week. Everybody's getting excited. We're going to be tapering. We're going to be, pulling back our blowing of money, just throwing it out the helicopter going, here you go. Just joking. We took it back. We're going to land now. A lot of people are anticipating what's going to happen this week with the Fed. Let me tell you right now, I have no freaking clue. To be honest with you, at any point, I'm waiting for them to pull a rabbit out of a hat and go, you want taper? You want taper? No, we're not going to do it because this just happened and that just happened. And, we can't taper just yet. But the facts are someday they will, okay? And they may do it in a couple of days, or what I believe is going to happen. We can mark this, put this one on your calendar. I believe you're going to see them go, yep, we're going to taper. We're going to do it on this date in the future. Because what they want to do is they know the psychological effects of the market. And they know how important it is to first, before you do something, pretend you're going to do it. Like, I'm going to do it. I'm going to hit the taper button. I'm going to do it. Point being is because they know that they're going to get a certain response out of the markets. And they want that response first, okay? That good feeling. Oh, sweet. They're going to taper. It is true. The economy's doing better. It's super cool. Yeah, we can deal with all kinds of cool stuff with less employees and this is awesome. We can just keep printing money to infinity. But just joking. No, they're going to taper because it's going to bring value to the dollar. Things are good. So you can see my sarcasm there. See, the economy wants to have their ears tickled. They want to hear good things. Even though bad things are happening over here, it's like, no. Oh gosh, it feels so good. You can see my sarcasm right now. You can sense it, right? Because it's total crap. But that's what they do. And then they come out with these plans. Look, we've got this plan. And it's like a bunch of dots. Like, what are all the dots? It looks like a Dalmatian threw up over there. And you go, well, that's when we're gonna raise rates here, raise rates here, raise rates here. Now, they did this back in the past. And quite frankly, it's extremely bullish for gold. Every time the Fed starts to raise rates, it's bullish for gold. Now, a couple things are going to happen. When this taper does start, eventually, it is going to lead to lower prices in all kinds of things. And the narrative is being built right now, worldwide, that the Fed needs to act because inflation is rearing its ugly head. It's getting bad. We need to do something. And most people by now know that, easy money leads to higher prices, right? It doesn't happen immediately, but it does take some time. And now it's happening. And it's only going to get worse. It will only get worse if left unchecked. So the Fed has to do something. But the problem is they know that right now they want you to have that wealth effect. They want you to feel like you've got $1 million in the bank, but even though it's in your 401k, or you got $1 million house. That's your wealth effect. That makes you go, oh, this paycheck, I've got a few bucks left to go. Let's go blow it at Chili's. Let's get the biggest hamburger with all the toppings. That's the wealth effect. And they don't want you to not have that. The point is when they do start tapering, watch out. It's not going to happen overnight, but you will see things. It is impossible. And I will make this very clear. I don't care how big you think BlackRock is. Eventually they will fall. They will fall. Higher mortgage rates and higher interest rates on anything from auto loans to personal loans to anything will lead to less spending because people do not have that extra money in their pockets. All right, guys, I hope you got something out of this. I didn't, because to be honest with you, regardless of what they do, they know they're trapped. And they could either kick the can down the road and get hyperinflation going, and that will be transitory, or they can go ahead and start tapering immediately and eventually watch prices slide and that wealth effect get sucked up. But guess what? Good news. Ninja Nation will be right there ready to just buy up all their stuff. All right, guys, that being said, thank you so much. Economic Ninja is out.